Oh my God! You killed Kenny! You bastard! Well, I guess you can light a fart on fire, huh? Hey, dudes. What's the matter, Carmen? It's this V-chip. I hate it. I can't say any dirty words.
Really? So you can't say fuck?
No.
And you can't say shit?
Nope.
So you can't say, I'm Eric Cartman, the fattest fucking piece of shit in the world?
Fuck you!
Dude, sweet!
Ready, Cartman? Ready. German dance for you. It's fun and gay and fun and gay. Hope you will enjoy my dance. Give me happy laugh. Would you like some sauerkraut? German boy, German boy.
Phone's ringing. Somebody want to get that? Hello? What, is everybody deaf around here? Pick up the damn phone! This is the cell phone detection system. It's your dad calling. And man, is he pissed. See if you can talk your way out of this one. This is the cell phone detection system. It's your mommy calling. Try to look cool. Hey, it's the cell phone detection system. The person calling is a totally insane, psychotic maniac. It's your brother.
Hey, it's me, your phone. Pick me up, man. I got a hot one on the line. Hey, compadre, pick up your phone. Hey, you! Your phone is ringing. Mister, who cares if you're no popular? They probably hang up on you by now anyway. Loser!
Whoa, what the heck was that? It sure as hell wasn't me. I told you not to have that chimichanga for lunch. That was me.